Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will talk to you about how you sell print on demand on Tostadora and make a lot of money, a step-by-step guide. Well, I remember you in the description we have several links and use it. Believe me, it's really good links. And that links are basically for discounts in a lot of platforms. And well, let's start. And well, if you don't know, Tostadora.com is a website where you can buy or sell custom t-shirt and other products with original design, obviously, from independent artists. You can also create your own products with your own images and text. Tostadora.com operates in several countries and languages and offers a variety of themes and styles for your preference. Tostadora.com is similar to Fine Art America, but this is more focused on apparel and accessories. And well, some common, it's a little curious the name because Tostadora in Spanish is like a machine for bread, and well, it's curious. The first step is basically click here and sell your designs, but before that, I need to show you something. We have a lot of designs. For example, this. This morning I asked it to shut up. I can say that in YouTube. Well, no. Oh, yes, here. Monday Star Wars, the Force be with you. Nice. I really like it. It's really good. Well, for example, if you want to see one t-shirt, you want to click on that t-shirt. And basically you add to the cart or personalized. You have the options. And here you can see you have the sites and all of these themes, basically. If you want to sell themes in Tostadora.com, you only click here in Serial Designs and start selling. For example, here we can see sell the products with your designs and monetizing your art and your audience will cost you nothing. Create a free account, reach a global audience, and earn money with every sale. For example, here you can put your email and your password. Well, here we have añadir tienda nueva. It's basically in Spanish, but that it's a new store basically. Click as in a name of your shop. This name will be part of the web address of your shop. Limited to alphanumeric characters, no accents, and maximum of 30 characters. Remember that. Now I put the name of the shop. This is the name of my shop with the styles. I click on continue. That takes like 3 or 4 minutes. For example, here you need to put a title and description and banner, a shop logo, city, country, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, DeviantArt, Pinterest, Tumblr, Behance, and TikTok. That's basically our optionals, but I suggest you to put it because you can do publicity in that page. For example, here I create a description and before that, a title, or vice versa. Other important thing, if you want to delete the shop, basically you only click here and that's it. Basically, I put that title, it's a shop full of styles, description with shot with the most beautiful style around the world. It's really simple, but well, that's work for this tutorial. And here you put your city and your country. Not here set. Step 3 or 3. Add new article or portfolios designs. It's in Spanish, but I read you in English. My design portfolio. Here you can manage and edit your image and create items from them. Well, I add a design. Now I put a design. I suppose I can upload a PDF. Well, let me change. When you put an image, it's JPG or PNG. You only click here in accept terms of service and copyright. Oh, remember, this needs to be yours. I click here in upload and search. That takes like 2 or 3 minutes. That depends of your internet and other things. For example, here I have 2 images. There are 2 cats. If you want to delete one, you only click here and yes, click here and that's it. Here you need to create item. You can add tags, for example, cat, beautiful, well, beauty, it's more short, animals, pets, and pets lovers. You create item, and that takes like 3 minutes. And now it's time to design. For example, I put this in the middle, like that, maybe. You can select other styles. For example, well, it's the only style, other products. Here you can see that t-shirt or this t-shirt too. Example, you can click on it and well, you have other option. If you want the previous one, you only click here or the next one. For example, let me check the other color. It's more beautiful here and with reds. I put in the middle. You can put plus royalty. This is the price basically. You can add text or add other design. For example, if you want add text, maybe I put here. I put this is random. Cat is the best friend ever and your boss. This I have a error in my grading. When you put the text, you click here and they basically add the text and other here. You can click again, for example. If you see here, basically the other message is delete, you only write again. And your boss. Click here. And you can see you have here, you can put in your boss, you can modify this, for example, this off. Remember you need an image vectorized. In the channel, we have a tutorial and you can do it with that tutorial. It's really important. You can change the letters. For example, you can put this black in your boss and this white is okay. You can click here in create and basically it takes like 3 or 4 minutes. You can click in continue or you can preview too. For example, here you click on it and have a preview. Cat is the best friend ever and your boss. That's it. Here you have your design. You click here in save and add new item. If you want add other items, but if you want publish this item, you click here and save, and basically that's it. Remember, you need to change the name. For that, you only click here and put, for example, cat lovers, and clicking here and save, and that's it. Basically, you can modify this if you want, but I suggest you to don't modify. Because, for example, the base price is that. If you want royalties, you can click here and how much should it cost. And basically it's that. Setting the price to high makes buyer of the other products from our screen. We recommend that you add between 1 and 3 full royalties. You can add, for example, 24, that 99, because it's a reasonable price. And well, that's it. Basically, the internet in the shop. And thanks for watching and subscribe.